Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. We break into your regularly scheduled programming type of video. How many of you guys remember that from back in the day, big time before cable all hit when I was younger? I remember, hey, we're breaking into your programming right now to bring you this special news bulletin. Drop in the comments, let me know. You know me, I always like to interject a little bit of humor here. So here's the thing. This is a break-in to talk about Etoro. We actually may have some movement out of Etoro coming this Monday. We'll see. Hopefully, the end of the teasing is very, very soon, and we can get this moving forward. I have been saying for a while now that I thought that Etoro was going to be first, ahead of Coinbase and Webull, and a distant fourth, Robinhood. As always, just want to remind you, hey, the link's below. If you're interested in my Patreon group, over at the Inner Circle level, you can see my crypto holdings, and I let you know when I buy, I let you know when I sell, I let you know what I'm looking at. I also give you hot crypto tips. These are cryptos that are going to do some cool things in the future, etc. So that's of interest to you. Check it out in the link in the description below. Okay, so SHIB right now down 3.95%. Not a whole heck of a lot going on right now. Quite frankly, it's a Friday. I think the money has still kind of left the building a little bit, kind of leading into the weekend, etc. Ethereum trading at 2016, Bitcoin at 32,213. So again, really basically flat. If we look at the overall chart action, SHIB has dropped a little bit as of the last. When I actually, wow, I didn't know that it dropped. I hadn't looked at it, hadn't looked at my personal holdings in a little bit. So we've actually dropped a little bit. So where did we drop to? Let's see there, but we've touched 611, getting maybe down into some levels that I might want to be looking at buying again. So yeah, I like that. Okay, so again, just a little bit of a drop. Really no reason for that per se. So kind of market conditions kind of thing. Let me look real quickly. I want to see something. Yeah, like Bitcoin. See, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has taken a little bit of a drop as well. Yeah, look at this. So Bitcoin 7-day. Let's go 1 day here real quickly. I want to see something. Yeah, see like even today, see Bitcoin kind of has come down a little bit and kind of moved down. Okay, so again, SHIB tends to follow. That's why I'm looking at it. So we'll move back over here. So let's take a look at this Etoro thing. So Etoro has tweeted out, hey, that they are, quote, adding new coins on Monday. Drop your guesses in the replies. And I love this one right here. Shib Army, there's already, dear God, how many comments and retweets? Why don't you turn this into a dog dance gift party? What do you think? If you agree, just reply to Etoro with cat dance. It's Friday. That's pretty funny. Shib, perhaps that'd be nice. There's people trying to get them to tell them. There's some great memes in here. Coins as in multiple. Yeah, of course they're going to add multiple. I'm sure they will. Look at this one right here. I thought this one was pretty cool. This one's funny. Like, oh, that's cool. I like that. How they did that. How the evolution. I've seen this T-shirt and this design for a while, kind of to Bitcoin, and then look, but they got SHIB, but then they got the moon guy, the lunar, man with a moon suit. That's actually really cool. That's smart. Whoever did that, that's actually really cool. I like that. Okay, but they just kind of keep, it just goes on and on and on. The overwhelming support and majority of people are basically saying, hey, look, let's make it SHIB, right? And we know it's coming. They've basically already told us so. It should be this Monday, and it's going to pop, guys. The coin is going to pump. It will pump. Now, will we have some sell-off? Yeah, it's quite possible that we will, because we got people that have the proverbial paper hands, that there will be some dump too, not as in pump and dump, but there will be some sell-off. We do have paper hands, and anytime we get any noticeable significant movement up, we tend to get that. We all ride it, and then we peak out, and then we do get some selling. Okay, all right. So again, but this is a pretty massive exchange. They've got millions and millions of accounts and millions of traders. I've had people messaging me and in my group telling me that they've got friends that only have Etoro accounts, and just the pent up demand is crazy. So we could offset some of that proverbial paper hand factor by just picking up a ton of new investors. I mean, think about it. We have like 600,000 plus holders now, give or take, somewhere in that ballpark. And how many tens of thousands, or maybe even 100,000 plus? I mean, how many? We have no idea. We have no true clue about how many people who don't even own SHIB could be coming at us because of this, this eToro scenario. Okay. And the eToro tends to be, stock people and eToro is getting more and more into crypto, right? But it's not their main thing. My point is, this could be a really, really cool thing. I mean, Coinbase is awesome because there's, 56 million plus user accounts at Coinbase, but there's a ton. I think there's about 20 plus million at eToro, and so it's highly possible we're definitely going to hit it. I mean, it's highly possible to pick up tens of thousands additional holders, new holders of Shiba Inu, when this happens. It's not if, it's when, okay? And so this actually is not a bad thing right here. I mean, to me, this is not a bad thing right here. Not a bad thing that we've dipped a little bit. Could be a nice buying opportunity. Not investment advice. Not telling you should. By the way, I didn't give you that disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. But it could be a really interesting situation that develop with those 20 plus million account holders coming into the Shib world, right? And wanting to buy in, and I'm talking, I don't even know what the average buy-in, but it's probably anywhere from $300 to $400, $500. I mean, I have people in my private group that have billions and of Shib tokens, and so it could be this could be a massive, big, huge thing. The more and more I'm kind of walking my way through and talking my way through it as I'm telling you guys about it on video here, this is pretty darn cool. Okay, let's continue. I want to look at some more of these. Look at this. Got that one. There's just Shib references everywhere. We're the biggest army in the crypto space, period. Every time eToro tweet, we make noise. They see us and we see them. There's absolutely no doubt Shib is on that list. Plus, they told us that Shib wait was over. Okay, Shib. It's just everywhere, Shib. Shiba Inu, Shib bone leash. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's awesome. Just kind of, it keeps going on. It keeps going on. Every time I guess your question, I lose. There we go. David Valero, Shib. Right here, you already know we're big and strong right here. Like, it's like a screen capture. We see how enthusiastic the company is about the asset. There are many considerations that are taken in, but rest assured we're working on it. No ETA. Again, that was a while ago, I'm sure, but that was just a recap of that, or screen grab, excuse me. Again, more Shiba. It's Shiba. It's insane that every single thing here. And this is actually truly a testament to the Shib Army and how vocal and how much they are out there, and you just got person after person, is coming out, and talking about it and basically saying, Shib. This is awesome. This is actually really cool as far as kind of the United We Stand thing, right? It just goes on and on and on. That's a great one. That's a great movie, by the way. Finally, the Shiba wait is long over. Getting onto eToro. Just goes on and on and on. I'm with you. This is cool. Take the Shib by the horns. Yeah, this is fun. All right, there's a lot here, obviously. All right, so let's wrap up. So again, not a bad thing if you're looking to add to your position, or maybe getting into it. I think we got a major catalyst coming next week. 20 plus million eToro account holders who just cannot wait to buy into this really cool world called Shiba Inu. All right, as always, genuinely, truly, thank you for your support of my channel. I want to give a little bit of guidance at the end here. Hopefully you have diversified your crypto. You own some Bitcoin, you own some Ethereum, you own some Shib, some others. You guys know I'm a huge fan of that. I'm a huge fan of not having all your money in one proverbial basket. So also definitely, I'm a fan of owning stocks and ETF funds and things like that. Again, I haven't said that in a while, but I care about you guys, and I want you guys to do well in all of the equity markets, and especially in crypto, since that's how we know each other and all that. So hopefully that information finds you well, and as always, thank you for your support. I'll see you later. Take it easy.